What did you do before you were a farmer?
I was a ski racer and a queer activist, and then a conservationist in West Africa and with the Appalachian Trail Conservancy. In 2008, my wife Laura and I bought this farm as a response to the biodiversity, climate, and chronic health crises that we found around us. We know that how farmers farm and how eaters eat matters.
When did you realize soil was something you grew on the farm?
That's exactly why we started our farm. And recently we were meeting with a cohort of like-minded farmers and some artists helping us convey the magic of regeneration. The artist that painted our farm depicts the sheep eating in a diverse, blossoming pasture with monarchs and other pollinators around. This image can enable others to realize that together with the sheep and the plants, we're expanding both the depth of our soil and the life within.
Describe your favorite place in nature. It's the rhizosphere.
It's the area of the soil that's directly influenced by root secretions of photosynthesizing plants. The rhizosphere is still a mystery. Precisely what nutrients are transferred through the rhizophagy or how important the process is still unknown.
What would you say to your younger self?
Notice and communicate. Observe nature, human systems dynamic, ego, and everything around and in between. Also know that you need to communicate as your lens is specific to you, and passing on the nuggets of what you observe to others will help us collectively build resilience.
What do you wish people knew about farming?
It's an exhausting and wonderful way to live. It fills you with deep connection and purpose. You also sleep really well and eat really well.